Exercise 9.1 Problem 1 Solution. Draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter, okay, and take a point on the circle. Draw the tangent at that point using the center. Okay, so they are given us a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter and we are supposed to take a point on the circle, okay, and draw the tangent at that particular point. Okay, right, now let's draw a simple rough diagram. So this is going to be the circle with O as a center and radius of 4.2 centimeter, and let's take a point P on the circle and we'll have to draw a tangent. A tangent is nothing but a line just touching that point on the circle, right? And it's perpendicular to the radius, so we'll have to draw a tangent at the point P to the circle. Okay, this is the rough diagram. So this is how our final fair diagram will look. Now we'll have to get into the construction of the tangent. Okay, so fair diagram. So let's draw a circle with O as a center and radius 4.2 centimeter. Okay, with O as a circle and radius of 4.2 centimeter. Let's mark a point P on the circle and join OP. So let me repeat. So first we are drawing a circle with O as a center and radius of 4.2 centimeter, which was given in the problem. And after that we are marking a point P on the circle and then joining OP. Next what we do is we draw an arc of the circle with P as a center. We draw one more arc of the circle. Okay, the radius of it will be probably 3/4 of this. Okay, 3/4 of OP or slightly more than half. That's the principle. Okay, we draw arc of a circle and this will intersect at a point L on the OP, right? So with P as a center, we draw one more arc of a circle, right? An arc basically, and that will cut the OP at a point P, L. Now with L as a center, draw with L, draw one more arc with the same radius, and from here draw one more arc. You got my point? So with the same radius, you can cut two arcs on this given on the first arc of the circle. Okay, so cut two more arcs and name them, that is M and N. Now basically what we need to do is we'll have to find the bisector of this angle MPN. How will you find the bisector of an angle? From here cut an arc on both sides, and from here cut one more arc intersecting the first two arcs. Okay, then all you need to do is that connect these two intersecting points. That will become the bisector of angle MPN, and that is nothing but that is the tangent to the circle at P. So let's do that. So I'm drawing from N as a center, I'm drawing an arc. Okay, so with N as a center, I draw this arc and this arc. With M as a center, I draw this arc and this arc. So they both intersect at one particular point, 2 points. So connect this intersecting point and this intersecting point, and that is nothing but your tangent, and name them as T and T dash. So TP T dash or T complement is nothing but your tangent to the circle at the point P. Okay, so let me repeat. With O as a center and the given radius of 4.2 centimeter, we draw a circle. Then let's take a point P on the circle. Then with P as a center, draw an arc. Okay, an arc of the circle, okay, which probably 3/4 of this radius, 3/4 of OP. Okay, and that will intersect OP at particular point L. Then with L as a from L, draw two more arcs. Okay, for cutting at M, and from N draw one more arc cutting at N. Now we have actually MPN. This is an angle which needs to be bisected, and that bisector will be the tangent to the circle at particular point P. So how will you find the angle bisector? From M, draw an arc on both sides, above and below. Similarly, from N, draw two arcs intersecting the first two arcs, that is one above and one below. So these two sets of arcs will intersect at two given points. So this is the first point and this is the next point. Okay. Now all you need to do is join these two intersecting points, and that is the bisector of MPN, and that is also the tangent to the circle at particular point P. Name them as T and T complement. So T, P, T complement is, or T dash is nothing but is a tangent to the circle at the point P. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now let's list out your construction. So with O as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Take a point P on the circle and join OP. So we took a circle point P, we took a point P on the circle and joined OP. Then draw an arc of the circle with center at P, cutting OP at L. What did we do? With P as a center, we drew this arc, and that cut the OP at particular point L. Next, mark M and N on the arc so that arc LM equal to arc MN equal to arc LP. Okay, right? So with LP as a radius, right, arc mark M and N, right? Then all we need to do is that we'll have to draw the bisector PT of angle MPN. Draw the bisector PT, right, of MPN. How will you do that? As I told you, but that is not, we don't need to write that explanation. We just need to say that it is a bisector, angle bisector of MPN. Then we get PT and then extend that to PT dash. So PT dash is nothing but is a tangent to the circle at particular point P. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now start. You have to do it with your own hands, then only it will become clear. So pause the video here and try to do the construction on your own. And if you have any doubts, go through this one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.